Keeping your customers or students in the loop on last-minute updates, date changes, and unexpected cancellations can take up a lot of your time. Luckily, Mailking's text campaign feature allows you to get your news out quickly via text message from your computer. Let me show you how. First, I'll install cloudHQ's Mailking extension from the Google Chrome Web Store. I need to let my students know that classes will be canceled next week. I'll start by clicking the Campaigns button here. Next, I'll click this button to start creating my new text campaign. I'll name my new campaign here so I can save it and send it out again in the future if needed. Here's where I can import my phone numbers via Google Spreadsheet, CSV, Excel, or from Google Contacts. I'll import mine from a Google Sheet. Now I'll scroll down to the next window to start crafting my text message. Here I can add my text copy. I can link this text to the class info page. This link will also be tracked to see who clicks it. I can add an image to my text by clicking this button. And if I click the Preview tab, I can see how my text looks on a phone. Looks great to me. Next, I'll scroll down for the Send settings. I can also add an email address here to keep a copy of this campaign in my CRM system like Salesforce or Zendesk. Because I don't have one, I'll just skip that option. And here, I can schedule this campaign to be sent after a specific date and time. To send my text campaign now, I'll click this box and then click Send. Now that I've sent my text campaign, I can see its progress. Here it shows that it's sending out now. With Mailking's text campaigns, you'll get the ability to send mass texts from your Gmail email, send URL links and track performance, send images, have any text replies routed back to your Gmail, have a dedicated phone number in US or Canadian area codes, respond to a text reply from your dedicated phone number, but actually write it and send it directly in Gmail, and have all of your text messages saved in your Sent folder and in your Google Sheet report. This is an example of what you can expect to see in your Google Sheet tracking report. Has my text been opened? Has it been replied to yet? Did they click on my link? And more. Now that all my students know we'll be closed for the holidays, I can relax and enjoy some quality family time. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.